we welcome you to KUBOTA Agricultural Machinery India Private Limited. We are glad to introduce our U36S for the esteemed Indian customers. KUBOTA Construction Equipment's compact excavators are world leaders in the mini excavator space. KUBOTA has introduced a new version of the 3-ton mini excavator. This machine has undergone many improvements in terms of quality, durability, and performance. Since this machine has undergone a facelift, its model has changed from U36 to U36S. Let us explain briefly about the features and benefits offered by our products to help increase productivity for our customers. KUBOTA U36S is powered by a 27.5 HP high-performance KUBOTA D1803 engine with direct injection system, which gives good fuel efficiency. KUBOTA U36S comes with auto idle, which reduces the engine RPM automatically if the hydraulics are not operated within 4 seconds, thereby saving fuel by 10%. The KUBOTA U36S uses load-sensing hydraulics with a variable displacement pump, which controls oil flow based on demand from the operator by sensing the joystick movement, thereby giving smooth operation by reducing hydraulic oil contamination. KUBOTA U36S is a zero-tail machine, which keeps the tail within the track width, enabling comfortable operation in confined spaces, where the operator need not worry about the tail of the machine during operation. The digital panel provides all vital information of the machine to the operator. Customers can also avail the log history of machine usage for 90 days. KUBOTA U36S comes with factory-fitted auxiliary piping kit for easy installation of breaker, auger, grappler, etc. The boom swing feature in KUBOTA U36S provides for comfortable digging beside the wall without repositioning the machine. The third line valve in U36S allows the hydraulic oil to return to tank directly when breaker attachment is used. This is a unique feature which reduces the oil contamination, thereby increasing the hydraulic oil flow efficiency. The travel motor comes with auto shift speed switch, which reduces the speed automatically during turns, thereby increasing torque of travel motor for smooth traction. Dozer blade in front makes dozing work easier with the load-sensing hydraulics. KUBOTA U36S comes with factory-fitted ROPS and FOPS canopy, providing extreme safety to operators. KUBOTA U36S is installed with digital panel, which is placed in front of the operator for easy visibility to understand the status of the machine. KUBOTA U36S comes with hydraulic lock lever, which allows the hydraulic operation only when the lever is engaged, avoiding unlikely events at work site. The KUBOTA U36S comes with improved boom hose positioning, which prevents unexpected damage to hoses during operation. KUBOTA U36S has work lamps fitted for better view during night times. The Deluxe seat with belt provides operators high comfort and safety. During an unlikely event, if the engine stops at work, the KUBOTA U36S can bring the hydraulic attachment to ground safety with the help of accumulator. KUBOTA U36S can be maintained and serviced easily with full open bonnet at rear and side, giving easy access to maintenance components. KUBOTA U36S comes with forged reinforced boom and arm to handle tough job sites. KUBOTA U36S provides extreme support and stability for the machine with strong undercarriage, supported with one upper roller and 4 track rollers on each side. Thank you. We hope you've enjoyed the walk around and are well informed about the features and benefits of the U36S. We request everyone watching this video to visit our showroom and experience our product. Thank you again and look forward to your being a part of the KUBOTA family.